Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the time to leave function on the Timepage application, which means that you will get a notification when it's time to leave your current location. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then swipe to the right side of the screen and click on Smart Alerts, which is the fourth option in this section, and tap on the Time to Leave function. Here you should select your default travel method, which is now set to by a bicycle. You can select the car, which is obviously driving, and also the walking method as well. So here you can choose a travel method per event on the event details screen, as you can see, and here you should select the notification timing. So when would you like to get a reminder? Here is the when I need to leave function, and you can also select from three other options ranging from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. So tap on the relevant one and then this function of the application will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.